the next day. It has been a crazy day so far. I've just kind of been packing. We have been both packing, like my dad and I. We've been cleaning up the house because my brother is gonna have people over when we're gone. Yeah, we're both driving to Toronto right now to my sister's apartment, and we're gonna meet her there. She's gonna teach me how to take care of her cat, Judy, which I am so scared for because I don't want to mess anything up, because like my sister's cat is like her bride. Yep, her bride. She's marrying her cat, actually. But yeah, I'm on my way. I think I'm going to a pool party today. I'm thinking about the outfit that I'm gonna wear, but I haven't been to a pool party in a fat minute, so I'm so excited. I really hope I don't get bloated though, because I'm starting to feel a little off in that section, but I'm really praying that that doesn't happen. It says it's gonna take an hour and 10 minutes to get to Toronto, and I'm gonna get there at 4:44, so that has to mean something good. And it's so sunny. I am just loving life. Like, I'm so happy that I packed everything. I literally brought the biggest suitcase ever and a duffel bag full of the Depop clothes that I have to post while I'm there and deliver them while I'm there. I need to do editing today actually, because I'm trying to get my video up tomorrow or the next day. And I think I'm sleeping over at my friend's house, like in my hometown after the party. So I don't know these people at the party very well, but I'm going with Bailey and Serena, and we're all feeling very bloated right now. So we're just praying that, like, you know, we drink some ginger tea, we get our liquids in. Oh, actually I got this, which I don't know if this is gonna help me or if this is gonna make it literally so much worse, but it's an almond milk latte from Tim's. I literally don't know how to mix it. It's just cut straight in half there. I needed energy because I got no sleep last night because I was FaceTiming Serena and Bailey about this pool party, all the planning and stuff. Then my dad woke me up at 7:30 because he needed a ride to take his car in, and then I need to drive him back, and then I needed to drive him to get his car back. So I've been up since 7:30 and I only got like 5 hours of sleep. So this is very needed. Very needed. I'm about to jam on the way to Toronto right now. I hope that you are all loving my little Spotify playlist. I've been updating them, adding songs literally every day, especially my Summer one. And that one is getting a lot of likes, which I'm actually really happy because I feel very validated when people enjoy my playlist. It just makes me feel really cool. So, oh wait. So we're going to a party right now. I said that I would show you my outfit. This is Hannah Malosha's bikini that she just came out with. Oh, it's actually so cute. I love the purple. And it's really, like, feel it. It's like ribbed, but like, yeah, it's like cottony ribbed. And then the bottoms are like high-waisted. And then I'm wearing the White Fox romper thing over top. We don't know if this party is still happening, so it's happening. We're gonna actually say it's happening. No, it is though. No, it is. Like, it actually is. Like, yeah. But I think I should call them first. Yeah. So how excited are you guys?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
yeah,
I'm on 1,000 because why not, you know?
We can like make anything fun. Yeah. So even if there isn't a party,
we're the party. What are you talking about?
I hope that you guys are having a great night and that you are either having like a little Netflix night or you're at a party
or anything in between.
Actually, comment down below what your night is like right now. Like, is it chill or is it like party time?
Wait, what's
oh, I almost removed Pinterest from my phone. Oh,
the horror.
Good morning. It is the day after you saw me last. So it's 2 days later. I don't know why I said it like that. Yesterday, I drove to here, which is my sister's apartment. I just like had a ton of editing to do. I finished my video, I uploaded my video. So I got my second Greece vlog up, and it's just been like, oh my gosh, like I upload one and I have to start on the next one right away because I just want to get all of them up. So I'm in Toronto, and I am going to be in Toronto for I think the next week, but I thought I would vlog just my little Toronto adventures. I love it here. Period. So I have been dying to like clean up and tidy up and just get the place how I want, because if I'm gonna be living here for the next week, I want it to be like organized and to my liking. It's just I can't focus when my space is not organized. So I'm gonna clean it up as much as I can without like moving all of her stuff around, because I'm pretty sure she would not want me to do that. This is what we're working with here. So we have the office. I need to put all of those clothes. I think I'm gonna put the clothes in the closet. That might be like the last thing that I do, because I don't know if I want to like repack everything when I leave. That I'm gonna decide later. And then the desk is really just kind of organized. Then it is this area. I'm gonna just like reorganize the pillows. Oh, I'm also taking care of her cat. Did I say that? The kitchen area, which you can't even see. Oh, there we go, camera. Yeah, I just need to like organize the counters and stuff and get this stuff off the counters. I'm gonna do some laundry and feel a lot better. But I've been waiting to vlog so that I could clean up my sister's apartment. Yesterday it was bad lighting and it was nighttime and I didn't want to do that, so I've been waiting to do it with you. So it feels special. I'm gonna play some music or like watch something while I do it. Guys, it is such a nice day outside. I'm listening to Ariana while I'm cleaning. I cannot be having more fun right now. It wasn't even that dirty. Like, this is probably how normal people have their apartment, but I have this thing where I just need everything to be perfect. I'm gonna clean until I'm satisfied. Perk for me staying at your apartment is that I will literally clean it up for you. Oh, that's Judy. Okay, I keep forgetting that there's literally someone else living here and it's a cat. I keep forgetting and I'm not used to it. Recycling done. Now I need garbage and compost. Oh my god, I feel like I'm living in Toronto again. This is literally gonna be me in my university apartment. You're gonna see me take out the garbage. Also, look how amazing of a day it is outside. Look at the freaking sky. It's such a nice day. Let me turn off the music. I think I'm a magician. Let me show you why. I kind of tidied up the desk area. Don't look there. I still have to unpack. Pretend that's not there. Okay, I don't know why the sleeping bag's there. Oh, I think she's literally so nice. Like, she's gonna let me have friends over here and like sleep here if they need to. So I have a sleeping bag there. I emptied the recycling and that's all of her work stuff. I'm probably gonna work over here if I do end up working because I just like looking at the view. Then I tidied up the living room. Everything is spick and span. The kitchen, I am so proud of myself. I actually think I have powers. And then that's all clean. And I also cleaned up the bathroom. I tidied this area a bit on the floor. I am still waiting for my laundry to be done, obviously, because that sound is amazing. Okay, right now I think I'm gonna try to unpack. I don't know, do I even unpack? No, yeah, I really want to so I can just get those suitcases out. That's like the main reason why I want to unpack. Okay, so I think I'm officially done cleaning. This is third day hair, but I actually did put some dry shampoo in it. And the reason why I am not going to wash my hair right now is because I'm actually going to a dance class today. I'm going to an underground dance class. You guys know I love underground. Actually, this girl that I met on TikTok, she does like a lot of dance related content and like relatable dance content. And all of her stuff was just so relatable to a competitive dancer or like any dancer. So I followed her a long time ago and then she asked me if I wanted to go to a dance class with her and I was like, yes. So I'm going with her and her friend today at 4:15. So I still have a ton of time, which is good because I need to edit. I can't put this off any longer. Like, this needs to be done now. So I don't think I'm gonna get ready yet for dance. I'm probably gonna get ready later. Kind of fun to do editing here because I have my office. Like, I feel like a little corporate baddie right now. So I'm gonna get some work done and feel really good about it. Lost track of time. I've been on the phone with my godfather for about an hour. I have no time to get ready. My dance class is so near. I'm not even ready. I was gonna like do my makeup all cute, like kind of like cute athletic makeup. Can't really, well maybe I can. I'm gonna wear black leggings because your girl is apparently on her period again. And then I'm gonna wear my green top just because I feel like attracting a lot of attention apparently because I want to stop traffic with this top. I'm out of breath. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. I just need to get dressed, do my makeup, pack my bag, leave. Okay, I didn't even put my shirt on. Shirt is on. Okay, I'm gonna do the quickest makeup ever done ever. My stomach kind of hurts. No, I was literally just on the phone and I just didn't even realize what time it was because I actually edited a lot. I'm just gonna put some really sloppy foundation on. Oh. What do I need after this? Water, glucose. I'm just gonna bring my backpack, honestly. Oh no. Thanks, Waze, for letting me know I'm late. Didn't know that. Okay, Sadie, you gotta stop being a perfectionist right now because you don't have time. I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush, even though I said I wasn't going to. Okay. Oh, I have cramps. Oh, okay, I'm gonna bring Advil. Guys, remind me to bring Advil. Spray. Okay, those are literally my period underwear and I don't have tampons. Oh my god. Oh, I might have some in my car. Does my sister have any? Oh yeah, she does. Perfect. Perfect. Can't go with the scrunchie in. I have 2 hair ties. Okay, I think I look presentable. Do I need this? Probably not. I am going to bring this backpack just because I need to fit everything in. This is good. This is needed. Okay. Okay. Let me just take a breath. So I need water, but I think I can just go pick one up. Oh, I forgot to brush out my eyebrows. Sick. I'm heading out. I actually think I'm not gonna be that late. I'm so excited. Like, I just got really excited, but I do need to go and buy water because that is a death wish. Not bringing water to an underground dance class. I don't care what level it is, you need water, but let's go. So we're the only ones here in my video. Guys, do you wanna like give a little intro? Like,
my name's Madison and I dance and that's about it. So we kind of did rehearse this. Hi, I'm Michaela. I do TikTok and Instagram and I also dance.
Hi. What are you here for? Yeah, same. We don't know where the teacher is. Okay, we're like the only ones here. So we're at undergrad. I don't know if you can tell.
I know.
I'm having like a heat stroke.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I'll fall and try again. Get up and try.
Okay, so we're lost.
You know how it is.
I bought a little quarter zip. It's so cute. It's like the most basic thing I've ever seen. I'm like, we're trying to find food. We can teach.
We're not good enough.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
the
we can
teach. Like
I
the
can
little
teach
kids.
like whacking.
Popping.
I look really tan right now.
You do. I was gonna say that.
I'm just gonna ask someone on the street where we should eat. And then he'll probably try to kidnap me. Why does it say face not recognized? That makes me really uncomfortable.
Because maybe you look like Beyonce now.
Oh, yeah. In the class, he was like, who are we? And we were like, Beyonce. He was like, no, you're... What did he say? You're a star. You're a star. Yes. I feel really bad when I get other people in my videos because I don't want them to feel like uncomfortable. But this will actually be for the world to see.
So we couldn't get it anywhere.
We went to Coast, and then I booked us for July 4th instead of today. So what are we doing after that?
Dance class again.
Oh right, I forgot.
And then
I'm gonna drive back to my apartment, get re-ready. We're gonna put on actual clothing. Yeah. It's not Toronto merch.
I think we're losing it.
Yeah, I actually think I'm like under the influence of something. I'm under the influence of life. Thank you. It is the next morning. I am so sorry. I literally meant to vlog every other thing that we did last night, but I brought my camera and my camera died, and then I brought another battery and that battery died, even though I was charging it all day, but I think I put it in backwards. We did the Beyonce class and it was so fun. Like, it was like jazz funk basically, which I posted a lot of on my Instagram story and stuff, like the jazz funk classes that I do, but this one is specifically Beyonce, and the teacher was just he was so funny, and he was just like getting us all hyped up for the class. And then we took a second class, which that was like kind of bold. Like, I feel like Maddie and Michaela were kind of just like chill about it, but I was like, guys, not a lot of people take 2 classes in a day. And they were like, what? And then we took another class and it was a contemp one, and it was a lot more chill, but it was still really hard.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw.
And I woke up feeling so sore. I'm like shaking holding this camera because my body is like in ache mode. Like, I came home after the second dance class. I Ubered to their hotel. Yeah, so they're actually not from here. They're from like 3 hours away. I was so glad that I got to like meet them and hang out with them. They're like the sweetest girls ever, and they're so fun, and we just clicked automatically. It was so insane. Like, that is the best thing when you just hang out with someone, you just click and you like get each other and you have the same humor, and it was just really fun. So then I got ready, like fully ready at their hotel in literally 15 minutes. Like, Michaela was curling my hair and I was doing my makeup makeup and I was doing like my foundation in the Uber and the guy was looking in the rearview mirror like, what is she doing? We went out to Lavelle, which is like a rooftop patio. It is really, really cool at night, but it was freezing, so we decided to sit inside and then go take photos outside. I really wish I vlogged it because I wanted to remember what we did, like for memories, but I have some Snapchat memories and a lot of photos. But I wanted to say thank you for watching this vlog. Subscribe and press that bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. I'm gonna be uploading a ton. I am uploading a ton right now. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.